This chart shows the escalating daily sales of independently published mystery ebooks. At the peak, that's over 108 ebooks sold in a single day by an author you have likely never heard of. Readers of short, easy-to-read beach fiction consume books fast. They browse the latest releases and buy as many as they can to satisfy their reading habit. Because they need a constant stream of new, fast-paced content, generic indie authors can sell hundreds of copies without an existing fanbase. To capture that demand, we are going to use a 6-step system inside Claude AI to plot, outline, and write a complete, cohesive manuscript. Before we begin, you need 3 things: a Claude account with access to the Projects feature, a blank word processor document, and a single theme for your story, like gardening. Success with AI depends on establishing a rigid data architecture before you begin. This ensures the model never loses track of the story's internal logic as the word count grows. Step 1 is setting up our workspace. Inside Claude, we create a new project. We use projects because they act as a persistent memory bank. Instead of forgetting details 10 pages in, Claude can continuously cross-reference the files we upload to maintain perfect continuity. Step 2 is the brainstorming phase. We open a new chat within the project, input our core theme, and ask Claude to generate several plot twists. Once Claude replies, you pick the best twist. Then we execute a mandatory feedback loop. Ask Claude to summarize that specific twist into a document, download it, and upload it right back into the project's reference files. This diagram illustrates step 3, the narrative skeleton. We start a completely new chat and ask Claude to map our chosen twist onto a 12-step mystery formula. This specific structure is non-negotiable for the genre. It delivers the exact pacing and predictable beats that guilty pleasure readers expect and actively seek out. Just like before, we extract this 12-step formula document and upload it into the project references alongside our initial twist. By physically isolating the plot logic and uploading it into the AI's permanent memory, we lock in a flawless architectural foundation before a single line of dialogue is drafted. Step 4 introduces the cast. Start a new chat and instruct Claude to build character profiles based strictly on the 12-step formula we just finalized. We repeat our required loop, extract the resulting character sheet, and immediately upload it back into the project knowledge base. Now for step 5, the master outline. We command Claude to synthesize our uploaded references, the twist, formula, and characters, into a single chapter-by-chapter blueprint. This comprehensive outline contains every plot beat and character motivation required to carry the narrative to the final resolution. Perform a quick status check on your workspace. Look at the project sidebar and verify that you have exactly 4 distinct reference documents loaded. This 4-pillar reference system acts as our ultimate safeguard. It keeps the AI anchored to our rules, so it never loses the plot halfway through drafting the book. Step 6 is the drafting phase. We start our final chat. This time, we command Claude to write only Chapter 1, pulling from all our reference documents. Avoid the mistake of prompting the AI to write the entire book in one go. That approach leads to a rushed, chaotic manuscript. To maintain a consistent narrative flow, we move methodically. Read Chapter 1, approve the text, and request Chapter 2 inside that exact same chat window. From there, you will manually extract each generated chapter and paste it sequentially into an external word processor. Writing chapter by chapter takes patience, but it guarantees a cohesive final product that reads with the pacing and detail of a human author. At the end of this 6-step process, you will have a massive, fully structured digital document containing an entire drafted novel. But the AI draft is not your final product. You need to do a human pass through the text to add creative polish, refine the voice, and make final edits. The final technical step is formatting. You take your compiled manuscript and run it through Amazon's free Kindle Create software, which converts the raw text into a polished ebook layout, ready for uploading. If you want a dedicated step-by-step tutorial specifically on Kindle formatting and uploading to KDP, let me know in the comments below. By mastering this systematized AI workflow, anyone with a basic concept can become a prolific, independent publisher and start capturing demand on the massive Amazon marketplace.